come on along. I am going to make my own shampoo and rinse that I've been dying to make forever.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
Today, I am going to get busy making homemade shampoo and hair conditioner. So here I've got, this is going to be for my soaps. This is infusing. It's got to infuse for 4 to 6 weeks. Lots of great stuff in there for your skin and your skin at least. It's in an avocado oil and a coconut oil. And then this is going to be infusing another 4 to 6 weeks. This is going to be my rub, my muscle rub, and if I need it, hair stimulator. I mean, you can't complain about more hair. Okay, so anyway, this is filtered well water we're going to use, and I've already got some of the herbs in here ready to go to steep. And this is my ACV I made, and that's ready to go. I think I'm just going to add a little bit of herbal blend to it and then put it in here. I mean, I'm just going to leave it probably stored in here and just put a little bit of it in here as I go along. Geranium, I'm going to put this is essential oil. I'm going to put it inside, a little bit inside of my shampoo infusion, but not my rinse. So I'm going to do those separately. So that's what I'm doing. In my sink, I have got a variety of wine. I mean, don't think I'm a drinker. This has been a collection over the last 3 years. I like my wine, but yeah, I'm taking the labels off, and I'm going to reuse these if I can remember them. Sage. This is black tea, which is really good for the skin and the hair. Look it up. I have rosebuds in here and safflower petals. And these are all beneficial for the skin and the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on simmer with 4 cups. So 3 cups. And I would have to say, I used about a cup of, less than a cup, maybe a half a cup of herbal blend. And this is what it's going to look like right there. Now let me turn the light over behind you. There we go. That might work. Maybe not, but that's what it looks like right there. We're going to go ahead and put on simmer and simmer it down. So that's what we got for right now. And so there's two different methods that I can use. I can use the Castile soap. This has a lavender in it, which makes it much easier, quicker. You just add your infused blend of herbals into it. Or I can take my scrap soap and melt that down. It wouldn't take too much to make it. So I'm thinking I might do both, because but this, you know, I can shave this down, because these are like end pieces from my old soap that I can use for shampoo, and use that. Let's see what happens. I want to do both and test them out and see which one I like the most. I like the Castile. I mean, convenience-wise, quickness-wise, the Castile soap is probably the best. My local market sells this, and I got a tea tree and a lavender, and I use a lot of it. There's some missing, and I've used this overall. Between my soap and the Castile soap, I just use a lot of it, so I really like it, and it smells really good. Lavender. Just put it on a simmer. So we're going to pour it. Oh, this smells so good. Now, we're going to put this on over here. This, I did a second one here. This is going to be for the rinse. I'm going to be putting this, inside my rinse, my hair rinse, which is my homemade, ACV. So once that is nice and I'm not going to add soap to this, I'm just going to add this infused liquid, filtered well water into here, and that's going to be my rinse. And it should last quite a while, because vinegar is vinegar. It'll last forever. And then this should last too, because yeah, it should last. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Let's go over here. My homemade soap that I did earlier in the year. This is the odds and ends. I just flaked it, and then I'm going to go ahead and add that to this and melt it down. I am going to melt that down. So that on low. And I'm going to top it off in this jar right here. I'm going to add whatever else. I mean, 4 cups should come about right here, which would be halfway. I'm going to go ahead and add at least 2 more cups to that. We'll see. I'm just playing it by ear right now. But yeah, this is smelling really nice. It smells so good. Look at that. It's hot. We're going to let that sit for a little bit. And then I think we're going to call it good. Oh, it smells so nice. So this is the first time I'm going to try this. Let's see if there's any difference in my hair and my eczema. Let's find out. So, good to go. We're going to go to the rinse, the hair rinse. So let's get that done. Okay. And we're going to get more paper towel right there. Okay. This shouldn't take as long. This is for, it looks really nice. It smells really, really nice. We're going to add this to the what do you call it? the ACV that I made over the summer. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it out the last bit. It's got the same herbs, with the exception of the oil. We don't want oil in our rinse. So here we go. We're going to put this over here. This back over here. Oh, let me show you. No, I can't show you. When I'm pouring it. So this is going to be my rinse. This I made out of the apples from my apple tree. Out of the rinds and the ends when I was making applesauce and apple butter. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this to my hair rinse, and this should do it for today. And boy, does it smell good. Wow. Wowee. Wow, it smells really nice. It really smells good. A little bit of apple and a lot of herbal. We're going to stir that up a little bit. And we're going to call this my hair rinse. So today I did my own shampoo, everything I grew, and everything I made. My shampoo and my hair rinse. Great. So these only cost me $1. The apples and the herbs and stuff came from my yard. So, and then the homemade soap, I made that during the summertime. And I got a video on that quite a ways back. So these are going to be used, reused actually, for some of the things that I'm going to be making. So we'll see how that goes. It's going to be hit and miss. The things that I want to keep, I will write down and keep in a diary. The other things that I don't want to keep, I'll just get rid of and try again. I'm saving these for wine making this summer. So I'm getting that all ready and prepared because it's cold outside and I can't see just yet. So I might as well do some of these other things while I have time. And then I won't have to rush to do it later on. So these are some of my bottles right here for wine making. And yeah, more later. I hope you save your bottles. Don't throw them away. They're awesome. This one, some of them have really super adhesives on them. And I had to use Comet to get this one off. But the Comet got it off real easy. This one is not going to be used for wine. This is going to be used for some oil infusion, I think, that I'm going to use. So yeah, the rest of them will be for wine. And of course I've got some more up there that I need to drink eventually. I don't drink that much. And so now what I'm doing is I'm making my organic facial because I do have enough of the herbal. I re-steeped the second round of the herbal mix blend that I had. So I steeped that and got a really nice blend again. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of that before I freeze it for my shampoo and my rinse. And I'm going to make facial. My face cream. This is what I've got so far. Okay, so this is what I made yesterday. I just wanted to share it with you. I didn't record the pouring, and I've already used quite a bit, and boy, it really works. This works really good on eczema. So what I have in it, I will go and read off the list, and I just did it by ear. I just poured stuff in it, and it's nice and hard today. It's nice and hard. which is really, and it smells good, and boy does it feel great on the skin. So this is what I got. Let's see, the skin cream. The solid oils are coconut, shea, beeswax. The liquid oils are avocado, safflower, and coconut. This was a combination of oils together. The blends for my herbal blend water is black tea, rose petal, safflower petal, black currant, and sage. And then the other that I put in here, this will help preserve it, plus give you a antibacterial effect, and that would be my colloidal silver that I made. This is what's in that cream. Excellent cream. So, and then the shampoo is the same thing. Black tea, rose petal, safflower petals, black currant, and sage leaves. The e-oil is a geranium, and then the soap base is lard and castile. No, well, the lard can be used I used the lard soap that I made, the lard and lye, but you can also use castile.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made